That boy's personality is off the charts. I just I don't like chicken bouillon. Take it. Good afternoon, everybody. Why? Oh, I thought there was something in there. My hair is just not acting right today. We got the boys, and I gotta find my debit card because we're about to go to the zoo. Oh no, what am I gonna do? I can't find it. Anyway, we're gonna go to the zoo. We're gonna go get some lunch. I gotta figure out where my card is. Oh. We went to Burger King real quick. I'm trying to scarf down real quick so we can go to the gas station, get money, get gas, because I'm about out of gas. Are you on Betty's half-sister? What's her name? Molly. Molly. Such a pretty horse. When you get bigger, you can ride the big horsey like Sissy, okay? Yeah. Are you on a pony?
That's a big giant snake. He's slithering.
Oh, Annabelle's coming to eat you.
He's going to eat me. Oh, yep, I see it. I can't. I see it.
Oh, it's right there, Annabelle. Come here. Annabelle, come here. I'll show you. Come here. It's right there. What are you guys looking at?
Where you getting the card?
You're looking at the monkeys? These are orangutans. That baby likes to play with its mama, huh? We are in Indonesia, and we just saw the orangutans. And I've just got such beautiful kids, and we're in the rainforest. It's one of my favorite parts of the zoo. And are we lost in the rainforest? Oliver, you can put some water on your face? Parker, put some water on your face. Yeah. There's Parker.
I wasn't even around the dad. It was around the dad. You're doing it. Keep the water on his face. Yeah, good job.
We are at the zoo, and I'm looking like a hot mess. Corbin has a pretty bad headache. We didn't get through much. We just went through Indonesia. It's a pretty big zoo. So we went to Australia, to the water area for a little bit, but we didn't do much, and we watched the sea lion show kind of. gonna go get ice cream and head home. It's already 4 o'clock and Ian's gotta be at practice at 6, so he's got to get ready soon. I gotta start dinner. We're having homemade chicken noodle soup, and we're gonna watch yesterday's episode of Big Brother with the kids, and they're gonna watch theirs. We're gonna watch both episodes actually. Okay, we're home, and I'm in my apron because I am making chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with the soda on the side. Oh my God, it's the baby! Ah! These are the look at me. Look at me. These are the two culprits.
Ow!
Tossing the cup back and forth, back and forth. You're filthy. You both need baths tonight. Really? So I got my noodles done. I got the potatoes cut and the chicken's about done. So I'm gonna have to pull that out. I got my carrots done. Do I need to leave the vlog to you guys? Okay. Chicken bouillon, go ahead. Take it. You can have it. You can eat it. You can eat it.
Like chicken bouillon.
You don't like chicken bouillon?
Take it.
Take it. Bad boy's personality is off the charts. I just love that. I don't like chicken bouillon. Take it. And it's done. I love boiled chicken. It is so yummy. Dinner's almost done. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I've made this on many a vlog. I do have this recipe up on my channel from years ago if you want to check it out. But that's done. I'll link it. I'll try to link it right here if you guys want to figure out. If you guys want to figure out how to make my chicken noodle soup, you're just going to have to do it yourself, okay? So I'm not giving you the recipe. No, the recipe I'll link right here. It's a 2-part video because, well, I didn't know what the crap I was doing. I didn't daily vlog, really. I turned off my camera. I'm like, I need to end the vlog, right? So, what is your favorite meal to make from scratch? If you can, let me know down below. Maybe I can try it. Maybe I can try cooking it. Anyway, I'm going to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I need to stop with the accents. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi. Good evening. I was starting a vlog today and a few things happened where it was very impossible for me to vlog, so it's unfortunate that I have to do it one take. But let's talk about punishment.